For best performance, it's important to maintain your machine. Once finished cleaning, you'll want to flush out your machine. To flush out your machine, fill the tank with warm tap water and then empty it all to rinse. Fill the tank with warm water again, twist the cap back on tightly, and return the tank to the machine. Turn the machine on and press the trigger for 15 seconds while making back and forth passes on a section of the carpet. Finally, release the trigger and suck up the water. This will help keep your machine clean for future use.